So when I was younger, I'd visit my grandma, and before we went out, she'd sprinkle bicarbonate of soda on the carpets. When we got back, she'd then hoover it up, and she swore blind that it made the house cleaner. So what's that got to do with anything that I'm doing? Well, it must mean it's Quick Tip Tuesday. And today, because I now have just over 200 subscribers, I'm going to give you, it's a sort of two-in-one tip, it's a double tip. And I'd also like to take this moment to thank you all 206 of you I think at the moment, all 206 of you, thank you so much for subscribing. So my double or two-part tip, if you will, is about garbage on the trail, or waste and rubbish. And one thing I highly recommend is to turn a fold over dry bag into your bin. You can buy them relatively inexpensively now online or in certain shops. What I like to do is line it with a compostable liner just to double up on that. But to stop odour, we're going to use bicarbonate of soda. And in a bag like this is a 5-litre bag that I use as a bin when I'm out. We're just going to open that up and pour about, I don't know, 2 or 3 tablespoons in there. And that will eat the odour of your rubbish. It's a handy little tip for generally a nicer trip out on longer hikes. Oh, and another cheeky tip, don't leave that white powder in your bag if you're going through customs. Do yourself a massive favour. What do you do with your rubbish when you're out on the trail and there's no way of disposing it? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, please check out my other videos, give them a like, tickle that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers and gone.